After more than 10 days of careful exploration, India's Chandrayaan-3 lander and rover have successfully completed their primary mission, achieving several commendable milestones. These two probes utilized the robust communication capabilities of the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter to transmit over 100 gigabytes of scientific data. Now, the ISRO mission team can take a well-deserved break. The Chandrayaan-3 lander and mobile rover have captured numerous lunar surface photos, revealing a lunar environment vastly different from Earth's. In the sunlight, the lunar surface appears exceptionally bright, while the areas in shadow appear intensely dark. The entire lunar surface is covered with soft lunar regolith, devoid of any trace of water. As of September 3, 2023, India's lunar rover has successfully traveled over 100 meters, setting a new record for lunar travel. This achievement underscores the rover's remarkable speed, especially when compared to China's Yutu rover, which took over a month to cover a similar distance of 120 meters. On September 4, the Chandrayaan-3 lander successfully conducted a hop experiment. In this experiment, the main thruster suddenly ignited, propelling the lander to a height of 40 centimeters above the lunar surface before safely landing again at a new location 30 to 40 centimeters away from its original position. The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO stated that this experiment aimed to accumulate experience for future sample return missions and human lunar exploration. Following the successful landing, all systems remain operational, and scientific instruments have been redeployed. Similar experiments were conducted as early as 1967 by the United States Surveyor 6 mission, which successfully ascended about 35 meters from the lunar surface and moved about 24 meters to the west. India now becomes the second country to conduct this type of test. However, shortly after the successful 40-centimeter hop, India's Chandrayaan-3 lander entered a dormant state. Currently, the lander and rover are facing the extreme cold of the lunar night. ISRO appears less confident due to the lander and rover's design lifespan of only 14 days, lacking nuclear batteries and thermal equipment for insulation. Whether they can withstand the extreme cold of the lunar night remains uncertain, and the outcome will become clear in 14 days.